Right, oops. Right, hello again, me again. Question 23, algebraic fractions. They love this. This will most certainly, well, not most certainly, but there's a high chance that this is going to come up. Do the same thing every time. When you see algebraic fractions, think factorize. You need to put things in brackets so you can cancel it out. So, the top's already in brackets, so you know you ain't going to have to mess with that. Now we need to look at the bottom bit. Okay, let's write this out on its own. X squared plus 2x minus 15. This is a quadratic, so we know it's going to go in two sets of brackets. There's no coefficient or number in front of the x squared, so we know both of them is going to start with x. Let's fill in what else we know. This is a minus. To get to this number, that means that the numbers that are here, you have to multiply it to get to this. You have to add the two numbers to get this. The fact that it's minus, if you multiply two numbers and it turns out to be a minus, if the two numbers were positive, it wouldn't give you a minus. If the two numbers were negative, negative times negative gives you positive, that number wouldn't be a minus. So for this number here to be a minus, that means one of them is a plus and one of them is a minus. Okay, cool. Let's look at 15. What goes into 15? Yeah, what numbers multiply to make 15? Kind of like when you're doing prime factor decomposition. So 15 and 1, cool. 3 and 5, okay. The fact that they're plus and minus means we got to think about 15 and minus 1, and minus 15 and 1, so we have to double it up. Minus 3 and 5, and 3 and minus 5. Now, this number's positive, so that means the bigger number must be positive, because only when the smaller number's positive and the bigger number's negative that you end up with a minus number. So we can get rid of this bigger number negative and this bigger number negative. So 15 minus 1, does it give you 2? No. 5 minus 3, does it give you 2? Yes. So it's positive 5, negative 3. Also, if you're doing algebraic fractions and one of your brackets doesn't look at the top, stop. It's wrong. They're not going to make you put something in brackets if you're not going to cancel that bracket out. So if you are doing it and you are not getting one of the brackets to be x plus 5, x, stop and rewind, because something is wrong. One of the brackets has to be the same as the top, because that's the whole point, for you to cancel out the brackets and feel good about yourself. So this turns out is our answer. So we're going to put the whole thing together now. 4 brackets x plus 5. So here we come with the answer. And at the bottom, we can now change it for our factorized version, which is x plus 5 and x minus 3. Now, this is where we cancel those out and feel good about ourselves. And we are left with 4 at the top and x minus 3 at the bottom. This is how you do algebraic fractions. All day, every day, same situation. Factorize by using quadratics. Well, usually they give you quadratics. Sometimes they give you other stuff. But factorize, cancel. Factorize, cancel. Factorize, cancel. Okay, good luck.